Hello guys.
It's the PukaEyes.
Can you believe that you can save 50% more?
Can you believe that this is Harm's first time going to the beach
Ever in my entire life.
after giving birth?
Yeah. I can finally go swimming.
We're going to the beach.
You better leave that in. Thankfully, because it's been so hot. And we're dying. Where are we?
We're going to Beach, and we're gonna go hop in the water with mommy and get baby sister's feet wet for the first time.
First time. So it really is somebody's first time at the beach today.
It's someone's. Who's this ghost? Saw.
Yes.
Day off. Yes, saw. She sensed the car has come to a complete stop. Where and thenceforth evermore, it is time to go.
And then we're gonna go grab some Ono food after this.
Yes. We're going to a kind of a new popular burger spot. And it's located just along the windward coast. So if you continue driving down Kamehameha Highway
Just around the river bend.
on Highway 63, going from east to north along the Kopalo, there is a small little mom and pop shop called Kaya Store. And just next to that, there's a what? What?
And that's not what we're eating.
No. Okay. There's a little mom and pop store. There's a little mom and pop store, and just around that area is a whole bunch of food trucks. One of my favorite, like, shrimp food trucks over there. But then this one is called
Beachside.
That's all.
Burgers and something.
We went there a few times, and we'll show you some of our favorite food orders over there. But all about supporting the locals. Baby can't be in the sun too long, so we're only gonna be.
We're
in the
literally
water.
just gonna like jump in, jump out.
Yeah, cool down. But it's a beautiful day. Look at this Hawaii now. Hold on. Look the rain. Look the rain. Gotta make them clear for you guys, okay? Yeah, look at that beautiful day. Look at the leaves. You see the leaves? The thing small kind flutter, yeah? That means not too windy. Right now, the wind cast. Wind cast!
The wind gas. 90 feet and glassy.
Fit your lagi. We're gonna show you guys the beach. It's right over there. And then after that, we're gonna go get some food. Look at that little dwarf-looking truck. And then we're gonna go get.
And
then we're gonna go get something to eat at that food truck. We'll also show you guys around that little mom and pop store called Kaya Store. Shh, quiet, we're filming.
don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram, the TikTok.
You ready to go play in the water, bub?
Yeah.
Okay.
You wanna go swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
guys thought going to the beach with one kid was hard, going to the beach with 2 kids is super hard. But it was so fun.
And in about 9 months, we'll be going with. I'm just kidding. I gotcha.
No, that was fun though. The hard part is only the showering and stuff after.
Washing up.
Yeah. But that was so fun. Lovey had fun. Sister loved the water.
Quite frankly, it wasn't our first choice, or it's not the most convenient beach choice that we went to today. But every time we drive by it always had like nice, beautiful, like crystal clear waters.
Super calm.
And it's calm. Today was a little bit high tide, and the wind was perfect though. So
yeah. I think it was really good though.
yeah, but it was still beautiful, nice, beautiful day.
Definitely reached our expectations for that beach.
Yeah.
It was so fun. It felt so good to get in the water after so long. Got my super cute hair towel. Thanks, bub.
Childs.
And now we're gonna go eat. Because a burger sounds perfect right now. Let's go.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
To get to beachside food and delights.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video today. It was a perfect weather, sunny day, beach day off. What you got there?
This is the mochi from Kaya store. You guys got to see the inside. It's literally like a small little
Literally mom and pop
store. They got like all your random convenient stuff. Also got to see they got like a little fruit stand over here. He makes smoothies, random smoothies. Aloha shrimp right across there. And I got this. So Kaya store, the owner, they were featured in like one of our local newspapers for their popular mochi, butter mochi right here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. We're gonna start this new travel vlog series, but mostly focusing on local spots. And we're gonna call it
Ono Outings.
Let us know what you guys think. We're gonna call this travel vlog series Ono Outings, and it's literally locals supporting locals around here.
Eating, cause we're fat.
Yes. And I'm gonna ono this mochi right now. Yeah, this one has like
Chocolate?
chocolate, I think. I don't think I've ever tried this one. Ooh, it's like a marble.
Yeah, I was gonna say marble.
No, I said it already.
Ew. And that's how our babies were made.
By Ono. We went on one Ono outing, and the band went out.
She literally said, "I'm out, peace."
Wow, yeah. It's definitely like a marble. Butter mochi. And if you don't know what butter mochi is,
You better ask somebody.
neither do I.
But if you guys know of any local spots you guys want us to try out, comment down below. Comment on our Instagram. Send us a message. Or threads too now, since that's a thing.
And if you're a local business owner, you got some good food, or you think you got some good food, drop a comment down below. We'll come by and see you guys.
We're not limited to the North Shore, Windward side.
Oh yeah. We're limited to wherever our gas can take us.
And if you asked us before we went to the gas station today, we would have
was
went to Taco Bell's. And
We was running on 8 miles left till empty.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and we will see you guys in the next video.
In the next Ono Outings.
Chee. Fuck-a-chee-hoo.
Say bye, kids.
Dudes.